lovies, thank you for tuning back into my channel. It's your girl Lavish Lana. If you are new here, welcome. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video and my other videos if you care to. No pressure, I promise. No pressure, but I mean, you're here already, so you might as well subscribe and share my video, but no pressure. So I have a very special video for you guys. I know I say that all the time, but I think my videos are special or else you wouldn't be here, right? Okay, but no, just kidding. So in this video, in the spirit of being locked in the house, being on quarantine, I wanted to do a little DIY project, something that you could do at home. And this basically is going to be 10 different ways that you can use a scarf at home in order to tie it into different tops like you see here. And so yeah, a super fun, super quick, super simple, beginner friendly really way of tying these scarves into tops. So without further ado, we are going to get right into the video. Hey guys, so I also want to note that the scarves that I'm using, the size is 36 inches by 36 inches. I'll put the Amazon link below. made it here, then you made it to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys put in the comment section below how you felt about the video. Do you guys want me to try different, more DIY projects that you can do at home? Because honey, I am a DIY girl. If I can do it myself, I'm gonna learn how to do it. So let me know how you guys felt about this video, and I will catch you guys soon. Thank you for watching. Love you guys, and deuces.